Former Kaizer Chiefs attacker Khama Billiat is currently training with Supersports United with the hope of earning himself a contract. Yeah, Khama Billiat left Kaizer Chiefs at the beginning of the season after 5 years with the club. Yeah, Supersports United returned to training this morning after a 3-week break. Now, Billiat was the new face that was spotted training with Kaizer Chiefs. So yeah, Khama Billiat once played under Gavin Hunt at Kaizer Chiefs. So yeah, Gavin Hunt knows Khama Billiat very well. So I want to hear from you, what do you think of Khama Billiat's training with Kaizer Chiefs? I want to hear from you, what do you think of Khama Billiat training with Supersports United? Yeah, he hasn't played football for 6 months after he rejected another contract that Kaizer Chiefs were giving him, because yeah, the contract because yeah, he was not getting the same wage that he was on. Yeah, they reduced his salary. So I want to hear from you. Do you think it's going to be a great signing for Matsatsansa Abidori or not?